Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're back out in the evening again, and we're gonna try to see more of everything around us. Yeah, so this is kind of the main pedestrian street. I'll probably label this one so you can find it, know what it is. But it's I think I heard that there's quite a few areas like this in this city, but this is one of the biggest ones, or the most upscale ones. Combination of two, of both. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good people watching place. A lot of people taking pictures. All right, see what more we can see. I'll turn it on when I get somewhere interesting. Okay, I think we're just gonna follow the crowds. See where they go. And it looks like there's like more stuff to walk over to over here as well. Actually, it's hard to really get an idea of all the different dimensions of it. Yeah, Chongqing, it's the largest city in the world, 30 million people. Larger than, quite a bit larger than New York, larger than Shanghai, larger than... Okay, so let's kind of take a look. So, yeah. So I don't know. Try to film. It's a beautiful tree. That tree is kind of a nice place for shade. So it's going to kind of wander around, and you can see these shades too. So it's kind of it's like a lot of space, but a lot of shades as well. So it's kind of a nice, interesting combination, because sometimes these things are just completely laid out and kind of driven by the sun. And the city is pretty hot in the daytime. All of China is at this time, almost, most of it. It's a big country, but... So, okay. Kind of curious what it's going to be like in the evening when the sun starts to go down a little bit.